Magnus.
Ja.
Jeg har en god nyhet til deg.
Oh my goodness. Nice.
God morgen. So today is going to be a pretty intense day. First, we have an investor meeting with the European big VC now at 10:30, so that's 12 minutes from now. Then we're heading off to meet EVFi, which is a big Swedish e-commerce. They have between like 15,000-20,000 jobs annually. Before we're meeting an American-based VC at 3. We're in a good place when it comes to investors, so it would be cool to have some progress, especially when it comes to the US initiatives. I think that's pretty exciting, so that's the goals.
So why is EVFi such an important partner to us?
So they are an e-commerce who are selling EV chargers, batteries, so they're like spot on in the renewable space, and also like the volumes of orders that they have is exciting. And of course, they care deeply about the customer experience, and I think that resonates a lot with what we're trying to do as well. So there are some obvious synergies there.
You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word.
We made it.
Barely. So now we're on the way to downtown Stockholm, ready for the meeting with EVFi. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how this turns out. Anyways, they're great people and they do a lot of great stuff, so it should be fun anyways. And yeah, you know, Philip, who started the company, he is a serial entrepreneur, so maybe we can learn something from him as well. Given that they have a very forward-leaning approach to how they solve the e-commerce, they're a kind of a disruptor in the market, and they've done exceptionally well with a very small team. And we're gonna say to them, let's build this journey together. At Installer.com, we're trying to be sort of the global infrastructure for installer collaboration, and we have the greatest engineering team there is building this. So I think for them to be part of that and for us to be a part of their journey is something that is meant to be.
Det passar ju perfekt det där.
Ja, välkommen tillbaks, välkommen till Stockholm. Fantastiskt solig dag idag. Ska vi möta på en kunde här i Stockholm.
Ja, det blir spennende. Vi har store forhåpninger om at dette kan bli en ganske stor partner for oss i Stockholm.
Ja, och så får man träffa Magnus också bakom kameran.
Ja.
Väldigt trevlig karl.
Det är ju fantastiskt.
Ja. Ärlig.
Vi har på att prata pris här nu innan huset, så det får sluta vara så positivt.
So yeah, just now we've had a meeting both with EVFi and with an American VC. Do you want to give an update on the EVFi and then I can do the American VC?
Yeah, of course. It was a very good meeting. We're getting closer into getting them onboarded in the platform, and it looks great. I think we're gonna get an email tonight.
I sent him an email saying that, you know, if you decide within a certain time frame, then you can get some discounts. So let's see if we can get that to work. I hope so too.
Nice. And then just came out of a pretty intense meeting in a good way.
Yeah, it was an American VC, which is a really interesting player. They have a lot of great portfolio companies that reconciles very well with our partners. So, and also as mentioned in other settings, the US market is super exciting. So let's see if we can get some value. It's a bit interesting because we don't have to fundraise right now. It's kind of like an opportunistic scenario where we have a lot of concrete interest, and then we have to make a decision on what is the right thing for us to do at current time. But it's always exciting to see that people are interested in what Install.com is building, and it's a good validation that what we're doing is the right thing.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Oh, you know you're all out. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone.
Magnus,
Ja.
jeg har en god nedtering.
Oh my goodness. Nice. Right, I'm back. Good job.
Alright, that was an intense day.
Oh, yeah, that was pretty freaking intense and busy.
So, on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate today?
11.
11.
Yeah.
Good. Well, can't argue with that.
No,